It has been a long year planning for this trip, and finally this year we were able to do it.
What's in here?
We were able to spend 5 days in the Canadian Rockies and get to witness firsthand the beauty that it offers. Not to mention the wildlife that we saw along the drive. So come and join us in this 5-series episode of our 5-day trip in Jasper and Banff.
What? Day 2? What about you, Shija? Day 2?
Day 4.
Day 4?
Why?
For this day, we're going up there somewhere. It's covered with clouds. Filipino. We're going up there. Okay.
Hello, hello. It's all over. Oh.
Our second day of going out and exploring Jasper, and the plan for today is Jasper Sky Tram.
And it's sticking out more.
So for this day, it's not gonna be as hectic as yesterday, because it's basically 2 places that we plan on visiting today, and everything is all pre-planned. We got the tickets in advance, so it should be an easy day. It's best to start early if you plan to do this on a weekend,
Can I bring my car?
because around 10 in the morning it's jam-packed, and the tram have limited capacity depending on how many you are in the group.
Look, it's a tram.
There's a tram.
Up there.
Can I, Mama, please? No, shame.
Is this for RV parking only? Do we need mask? I think so.
Yeah, bring a mask. I think they're gonna require it.
Gosh, no, please stop.
I want to do that.
Yeah, they did it. They just kept rocking it. And I was
No.
like, no.
I mean, I wasn't there because I was green.
Yeah, I was screaming too. I told them to stop.
But what they didn't do.
So renew my US visa.
Is it with you?
What do you use your passport?
Yeah.
So you have a passport and Scorpion.
Scorpion.
Oh, fall asleep.
Mama, in my hairstyle like you.
Yeah, it's so cute. Looks so pretty. It matches your jacket, your shirt, your mask.
What is it?
Zip up?
Huh?
Zip up.
Zip up, hold this one. You got a ticket with you?
How we doing, guys?
We're good.
Flight number 8.
Yep.
Perfect. Jump up through. John's going to stand and scan your tickets there.
Cute.
That one is a long neck.
We see a lot of.
Oh no, I will catch you. I will catch you, don't worry.
You guys make
The whole ride would take 7.5 minutes going up.
So the one thing I can point out to you at the moment is we do have Pyramid Mountain out the back. That's our resident tallest mountain in this sort of area. It's 2,700 meters tall. Looking gorgeous in the sun.
And on their way
Yeah,
up,
that's unreal.
they kind of show you some interesting facts about what you see along the way.
There might be one so far, 2 so far.
Wow.
One thing to point out was they asked us what time is our tram ride going to be on the way down.
The mountain itself is
To be on the safe side,
the bad boy we're
set
traveling
around
at.
3 to 4 hours.
Don't be quite sit at the summit. The summit's,
That should be
under
enough
1.2
time for you to reach the summit
kilometers away.
and enjoy the view up there.
Actually, I'll tell you a little bit more about that. Yeah. gets busy, which it might in an hour or so. We don't know.
It's not gonna go down.
Got any questions, guys? Give us a yell. Honestly, soak in this invasion. This is unreal.
Look at that.
No matter how high I am, I'm still scared.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars, out where the sun sets, we'll find the light and we'll keep it our secret home. Anywhere you wanna go, down any road, anywhere you wanna go, I'll show you my world, show you my world, show you my world, show you my world.
So after 3 hours of walking, it's time for lunch. You could see everything from this spot, even Jasper. Would have been better if it wasn't too hazy. And after a good lunch, we waited for a tram going down. Next stop, Maligne Lake.
Time to make it no pleasure without pain, no love without heartbreak.
So we ended up spending the whole afternoon here, enjoying our canoes in the great weather.
Where are we going? When we were young, but it seemed
It turned out to be the best culmination of a great day. Started out on top of a mountain, ended up in the middle of a lake.
for all my days.
These were only things that I could only dream of back in the Philippines. And right now I'm able to do this with my whole family. And these are the reasons why I make these videos, documenting every travel of ours. As by the time I get old and look back at these videos, I could say to myself that we were able to enjoy the beauty that Mother Nature has to offer. There's this saying, it's better to see something once than to hear about it 1,000 times. And once you're there, it wouldn't hurt just to stop, take it slow, let everything sink in, and how beautiful this world